never-ending Skylar show. Hi guys, welcome to the never-ending Skylar show. I'm doing my school science fair experiment. You might see stuff like blast in the air. And I have glasses and a lab coat for protection. And even protection can look cool. So, I got baking soda and measuring tools. And these are also cylinders. I also labeled them for the juices I'm using. So I have lemonade, LJ, cranberry, and apple. And I want to put 50 milliliters in each cylinder. I labeled my cylinders and I poured 50 milliliters in each cylinder. Now it's time for baking soda, the main ingredient in our experiment.
Pick them up nice and carefully. Try not to lose any. Put the tip to it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What?
What the?
Which one did you think was gonna go the highest?
Lemon. Oh! I want to feel it. Whoa, it's so bubbly.
Go.
Guys, you may wondering why I have juices again, because this is trial 2. And I'm supposed to do it 3 times, so this is trial 2 and I'm just going to do the same thing.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Oh. Wait a minute. Hey guys, I just did trial 3, which was amazing. Sadly, I thought lemon would win because lemon has the most acids. I need help saying those words. But anyway, cranberry won. So bye guys. Thanks for going to the Never Ending Skylar show.